Good afternoon. Welcome to Charisma Resource. My name is Ezekiel Kiago. I am the founder and the director of Charisma Resource and Logistics. For the past 10 years, we've been involved in helping students get out of their bad grades in mathematics, chemistry, physics, and biology. Specifically, we focus on the sciences because sciences is where I had very poor grades when I was in primary school. Then I found out a secret that I would help students get out of their problem. So that secret is what we use at Charisma Logistics and Charisma Resource. So we run programs during the holidays. These programs include mathematics, mentorship, coaching, chemistry, biology, and physics, where we conduct online classes, but as well, we also conduct face-to-face or what we call home visits. We visit you, we come to your place, and through that, the student is positively able to ask questions from the teacher directly. We pick out the challenging areas and we focus on them. And now, being there for 10 years, I feel that we need to do this to many other students. Last year, we were able to achieve a high around 100% in terms of our transformation. Students transforming their grades from E to A. So for me, and together with my team, we believe that by you joining Charisma resource classes, you're going to enjoy learning while playing. Mathematics is easy, and as we will always be telling you in our classes. So thank you very much. You're welcome to join us, and kindly tell others to join. We will be posting more information on the classes that are going to be happening from the 9th up to the 26th of April.